Hey, this is silentsolution. Today we'll see another Ansible playbook where today write just two packages in installation for by Ansible playbook like as PSP and MariaDB installation this playbook. Let's go. Oh, this is my silent solution. Here is a Linux cloud related video. You can see my and visit my channel. Also subscribe myself. This is have a RHCA playbook list playlist. I think have many idea here is how to write first playbook, how to lab already. Here is all details this playlist. You can see I think have your many idea this so let's go. First of all, we are today is not wall file creator because we are able to have how to write the Ansible CSA file. Just to see Ansible CSA file have get inventory, have inventory file have let's go. Now we are just playbook play just where just my playbook is a package. If your name yes, just where syntax checks check syntax check is done. We are now run the dry run, not run, just dry run. Now forward check your playbook or running before this command. Have any error? No. Then you have find and solve this error. But our play not error. You can have error. You a specific message had, then you will solve this issue. Let's go. Now we are running our play. Yeah, our play is run. Let's go where say have answer all effort argument is a PSP version. Where all workstation has PSP version as a server B, server C, server A. Here is all version C. Now we'll see how MariaDB all workstation. Just wait a sec. I think our all hosts have a MariaDB 15.1. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. I have many videos. This for Ansible how to RSA exam preparation. Thanks for watching.